Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and today I'm going to show you the Serengeti Safari Collection by Bargain Bead Box for May. It's a beautiful curated subscription plan for under $25 a month. Well worth it. And if you'd like a link down below to get your own subscription, you're more than welcome to. And with every subscription, you will get a coupon code for 30% off of your order for up to 2 months. So that's really good. So you can use it over and over again when you subscribe at bargainbeadbox.com. So let's get started. First off, we have this beautiful 39mm leopard skin jasper teardrop pendant. And look at the character in that. So it's got some blotches and some stripes and just a lot of different variations throughout. That's an amazing stone. Next up, we have a 7.5-inch strand of leopard skin jasper tumbled nugget beads. Very, very nice beads. They're various colors. So you're going to go anywhere from muted reds to dark browns and just a lot of variation in these. So the stones they're small, so, be good for a small project or as spacer beads. And they're very smooth too, so they'll feel good against your skin. And next up, we have a 15-inch strand of 8mm shaded brown zebra jasper round beads. So they're going to have some stripes in them, and they're going to be like a dark brown to a white, or slightly off-white, but every bead is different. And these are a nice smooth round stone. Next up, we have a 4.7-inch strand of 10mm zebra jasper faceted coin beads. So again, they're going to have stripes and different variations in light and dark. I accidentally put one of those in there. But as you can see, they have a little bit of sparkle to them and just very, very interesting. Now, in case you're wondering why I'm not doing the actual video unboxings, because I screwed up the first video, so I've already unboxed them, but I'm just showing everything to you up close. And next up, we have a 5-inch strand of 10mm leopard skin jasper round beads. So again, we've got all those variations in the color, and anywhere from moss green to looks like some gold colors in there. And some rose. It looks so pretty. In hopes I'm pronouncing this correctly, I've got a 7.5-inch strand of Dizzy agate black and white faceted beads. So I've got little blotches of black and white and very much, I'd say, like a leopard. These are so cool. They've got a little bit of shine to them. And next we have a 7.5-inch strand, or 7-inch strand of 7 to 8mm red rainbow jasper English cut round beads. So they definitely have a nice facet on them, and color variations from the red to brown to white. So those look really nice. Next up, we have a 7-inch strand, 7.5-inch strand of 4x2 African turquoise jasper dyed Heishi beads. So they have a nice turquoise and brown colors. And they'll go perfectly with the reds and browns of the other stone beads. Back again, we have a 7.5-inch strand of mahogany obsidian tumbled nugget beads. Now, we had some back, I think it was September of last year, August, one or the other, where we had some of these mahogany obsidian. So, I could pull some of those up and use them too with this. But so these are tumbled nugget beads, very smooth to the touch. Got dark and mahogany colors in there. So those will make a good accent bead. And next we have 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted triangle beads in the Safari mix. So you're going to get all kinds of neutral brown colors in there. And they'll make perfect accent beads for the rest of the stones. And of course a neutral that is very popular. So we've got a 7.5-inch strand of 6x4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in champagne shimmer. So those will pretty much go with anything. And they do shimmer. And so now we'll start with our findings. And I've got a 38x35 millimeter 18-karat gold plated stainless steel giraffe pendant. So you've got 2 giraffes on there, and of course the leaves and the trees that they're eating from. So that's a nice polished gold color. It's not too bright to be obnoxious, but just nice enough to look natural. So I really like that. And as a special treat, we get a 13x11 18-karat gold plated over stainless steel lion head bead. Very interesting bead. It's got a lot of detail to it. And the holes are drilled side to side, so it would make a great focal bead. Next up, we have two 20 millimeter freshwater shell links with elephant pattern. So you'll see that the holes are drilled on the side, so they'll make perfect links. And I love the shimmer of the shell and, contrasting with the gold of the elephant. Those are so pretty. It's like a wire work pattern almost, very detailed. And next up, we have 2 of the cutest little 18-karat gold-plated brass giraffe charms. Looks like they're lead-free and cadmium-free. And those are 14x5 millimeter, and they're tiny little giraffes, but they sure do make a big statement. They're so cute. And next we have 2 handmade porcelain elephant beads in ivory glaze. And the beads are double-sided. They have a hole going from bottom to top. And they're just a little adorable. Make perfect little earrings. And we've got some 7 millimeter textured bicone spacer beads in gold tone color. These are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. And they've got a lot of detail around the edges and a nice gold shine to them. So they'll make perfect accent spacer beads. There aren't too many of them, it's just 20 pieces, but, they'll look good with some of the larger stones. And then we have 2 18-karat gold-plated stainless steel lobster claw clasp. So fairly small, and they've got a small ring on them. You'll see why in a minute, but yeah, these are just very nice, high quality clasp. And last, we have 3x2 millimeter stainless steel cable jewelry chain in gold. And now this is a very fine chain, so you're going to need the smaller jump rings, to attach a clasp to them. But it has a lot of shine to it. A little bit of texture, so I think that'll look really nice for finer projects or accent chain. I think that'll look really good. And there you have it, the Serengeti Safari Collection from Bargain Bead Box for May. And again, my link will be down below if you're interested in purchasing a subscription. You get it monthly, they send it out to you, and for less than $25 a month. And you always get a coupon for 30% off to the sister site, which is Beadbox Bargains. And you can find findings for days over there. So any findings you need, you can find them there. So lots of stone beads, crystal beads, tons of pendants. I absolutely love their pendants. And if you get a subscription, it's always 30% off with the coupon code that you get in the subscription box. All right, well, you guys enjoy your beads, and I'm excited to see what you're making with your bead projects. So hit me up in the comments below. Just say hi to me. I love when people write me in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more videos. And I'll be back with another video soon, just showing what I make with these projects. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. May creativity be your guide.